Since their inception, foldable phones have been improving generation after generation, all while working toward minimizing the one design compromise that has always been the hardest to ignore. And based on what Samsung just showed, it looks like we're closer than ever to that goal. At CES, Samsung quietly showed off a new foldable OLED panel that completely changes the conversation around foldable display creases because unlike previous generations where the crease was reduced but still clearly present, this new panel looks almost perfectly flat under normal viewing conditions. When the display was placed side by side with the current Fold panel, the difference was immediately noticeable. Now, to be clear, Samsung didn't magically break the laws of physics overnight. If you look closely enough and the lighting hits the display at just the right angle, there is still a faint trace of where the screen folds. But at that point, you're well into pixel peeping territory, because during actual everyday use, the crease is practically gone. And that's a huge deal, because this has been one of the biggest mental barriers keeping people away from foldables in the first place. What makes this even more interesting is how Samsung appears to have achieved this. While they didn't fully break down the engineering on stage, we already know that this new OLED panel works together with a laser-drilled metal display plate underneath the screen. Instead of allowing all the stress from folding to focus on a single line, this structure spreads that pressure out more evenly across the display, which dramatically reduces the visual deformation that normally creates a crease. Interestingly, this exact same display technology is also expected to be used in Apple's first foldable iPhone, which means Samsung didn't just design this panel for itself, but for the broader foldable market as a whole. That naturally raises a few eyebrows, because it suggests Samsung may have had this capability for a while and chose to roll it out right as Apple prepares to enter the space. Whether that timing is coincidence or calculated doesn't really matter in the end, because the result is what users have been asking for since the very first Galaxy Fold. On top of that, this new creaseless panel isn't limited to just one version of the Galaxy Z Fold 8. Samsung is also rumored to be working on a wider variant of the device, with proportions that move away from the tall, narrow fold design we're used to, and yes, that model is also expected to feature the same creaseless display. If that turns out to be true, it would mean Samsung is treating this new panel as the standard going forward, and not just an experimental upgrade. With that said, do consider subscribing to the channel for daily Samsung news and updates, and don't forget to turn on post notifications, and I'll see you guys tomorrow.